Hey everyone, have you ever gone out with friends for a fun night out, only to be met with the dreaded question at the end, who's paying? Fumbling for cash, swiping multiple cards, or calculating on your phone can turn a smooth evening into a mini accounting nightmare. Well, what if there was a way to settle bills quickly, easily, and securely right from your phone? Enter Vipps, a popular mobile payment app used widely in Norway. But before you jump in and download it, there's one question you might have. Do I need bank ID for Vipps? Let's dive into the world of Vipps and break down exactly what you need to use it. So, what is Vipps? Think of Vipps as your digital wallet. It's a free app that lets you send and receive money directly between phone numbers in Norway. Imagine grabbing coffee with a friend. You can send them their share right there on the spot. No awkward cash exchanges needed. But Vipps goes beyond just splitting bills. You can use it to pay for goods and services at stores that accept Vipps payments, donate to charities, pay bills from certain companies. Sounds pretty convenient, right? But here's where things get interesting. How do you actually use Vipps? The key to unlocking Vipps, Bank ID. This is where Bank ID comes in. Bank ID is a secure online identification system used by many Norwegian banks. Think of it like a digital passport that verifies your identity online. Here's the catch. To use most features of Vipps, you'll need to have Bank ID. Why is Bank ID needed? There are a few reasons why Bank ID is important for Vipps. Security. Bank ID adds an extra layer of security by verifying that you are who you say you are. This helps prevent unauthorized transactions and keeps your money safe. Regulations. Financial regulations in Norway require strong customer identification for certain types of transactions. Bank ID helps Vipps comply with these regulations. But wait, there's more. Using Vipps without Bank ID. Here's some good news. You can actually use some basic features of Vipps without Bank ID. You can request money from someone, receive money that someone sends you. However, to send money yourself or access other features like online payments, you'll need to link your Bank ID to your Vipps account. Getting Bank ID. If you don't have Bank ID yet and want to use the full functionality of Vipps, getting it is usually quite simple. Most Norwegian banks offer Bank ID to their customers. You can usually get it through your bank's online banking portal or mobile app. So, do you need Bank ID for Vipps? In short, it depends on how you want to use Vipps. For basic features like receiving money, you don't necessarily need Bank ID. However, to unlock the full potential of Vipps, including sending money, paying online, and enjoying the highest level of security, having Bank ID is essential. Final thoughts. Vipps is a great way to simplify your financial life in Norway. Whether you're splitting bills with friends or making online payments, Vipps offers a convenient and secure solution. If you decide to use Vipps, just remember that Bank ID is the key to accessing most of its features. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.